All right, here we are, April 7th, 2022. Going to do a little update on our refrigerator problem, our refrigerator nightmare. And of course, this is the Samsung RF28t5001SR refrigerator. And it's the French door side by side. And February 23rd, this thing stopped running, and here we are. We had the motherboard replaced yesterday. 76 degrees. It didn't even run for an hour. It started to run. I can tell when this thing's running. And the way you can tell if it's running is you run your fingers along the edge of the door here. And if that's warm, this is barely warm. I can take my thermo scanner and put it on here. Most of that cool. That's all cool. And that refrigerator's not running. So you put your fingers on the edge right there. No, cool. That's not running. So obviously we did everything. We serviced this thing 3 times and put a new motherboard in it. And it did make a new noise. It was kind of going, making this loud humming, burring noise. And yeah, the fan's not running. The fan's not running. It's not pumping any cold air to the top. I think the freezer is like half running. It should be down to -8 or more, maybe even -20 down in the bottom. But it's not even close to that. I opened it up now. It's going to be a little, let it cool off for a second. I'll show you on my scanner. I have a thermo scanner. This is pretty accurate. It's a little more accurate than my other one, I think. Here, let's hit the glass there. 32.5, so it's like right at freezing. And you can tell it's right near freezing because these ice cubes have been in here since this thing broke last time. And you can see how they're kind of melted, but then kind of refrozen. It's like right on the edge of freezing temperature. 19.9 it says. Of course, that's going to be a little off, 20 degrees in the bottom. But my point is, it's not even close to -7. It's at least 20 degrees off from that, and the top's not running at all. So I would conclude that, oh, even that is a little warm there. That's weird. The little strip has some kind of heating in there. Now, I think they have that heating in there to 88.9. That's like 10 degrees warmer than, well, the inside of the refrigerator. They have that heating coil on there to keep condensation from spoiling your edge and getting mildew and stuff on your seal, which is a great idea. It's a fantastic design. I really like this, the way everything works on here. You can open the cheese drawer and it doesn't hit the seals on the door. See how it's got this little recess cut into the bottom of the door, so your cheese drawer comes out right past there. There's another model of refrigerator that doesn't have has a cheese drawer, but it doesn't have that little cutout there, and the seals are out so far. When you open the thing, it's always hitting the door seals. I'm not going to tell you what the name brand of that unit is, but when you open a drawer, make sure it doesn't hit the doors when you open it, obviously. Oh, there's the door alarms going off. 76 degrees, and that's not going to change. So that's my take on the Samsung RF28t5001SR refrigerator. It is a lemon, and if you look up, there's also a class action lawsuit, I believe, about this refrigerator because it's, well, as they call it, defective.